Today we will learn how to create a jump cut effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started by going to the timeline. I have a video footage here. First, I'll enlarge the video layer. Then I'll select the eraser tool. Press C on the keyboard, move 5 frames forward and cut the layer. Next, I'll go to the point where I want to cut and cut the video layer. Similarly, I'll press C again and cut 5 frames ahead. Now, go to the next point and cut it. We will cut the large video layer within the 5 frames arrange. We'll keep doing this until the entire video footage is cut. Once the video is cut, I'll delete the large video layer. Now, I'll place the 5 frames, cut the video footage on the timeline. Afterward, to fill the gaps, I'll go to the sequence and select the close gap option. As you can see, all the video footage have moved to the same position. Our jump cut effect is complete now. Next, let's go Effect and search for Brightness and Contrast. I'll drag this effect into the first video layer, then I'll search for Black and White and drag it into the top of the first video layer. Next, go to the effect control and set the both brightness and contrast value to 60. Then I'll turn on the keyframes and move 2 frames ahead, setting both value to 0. Now I'll copy the brightness and contrast and black and white effect. To do this, I'll hold down Alt on the keyboard and select both effects. After copying them, I'll select all the middle video layers. Press Ctrl V and press the effect. If I play the video now, you will see the flash effect then on the first layer. I'll copy only the brightness and contrast effect. If I play the video again, you will notice the flash effect now applied on the first video layer as well. Next, I'll add sound effect. I'll enlarge the timeline and max a bit by pressing M on the keyboard, which helps place the sound effect in the correct position. If I move the sound effect left and right, you will see it automatically snaps to the correct place. Next, I'll hold Alt on the keyboard and copy another layer on the sound effect. I'll place this between each pair of video layers. Finally, I'll add another sound effect to the last layer to make it sound even more interesting. Now, when I play the video, you will hear the sound effect synchronize the video flash. If we want, we can also add a video overlay footage to make the video looks more stunning. I'll select the overlay video footage and set the blending mode to screen and reduce the opacity to 10%. To learn more amazing video editing techniques like this, click out our previous videos and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notification our new videos.